And we have twins. We've got twin Toro Recycler 22-inch, the SmartStow models, 7.25 gross torque, 190cc, Briggs and Stratton engine, mow and stow, front wheel drive. This is the one that I just got, a moving sale, and this is the one that I got in April, also a moving sale. Identical models, 20039, and they're both 2016 models. I'll show the serial numbers on both of these. This one is in much better condition than the first one I got. This one's a little beat up. I'll show you some issues with it, but nothing mechanical. Did get a side chute with this. High rear wheels, wash port, and you can see this muffler is a little banged up here. Muffler cage, not sure what happened, but the biggest issue is front wheels are cracked. I'll show these a little more closely. I think this got dropped, probably in the SmartStow where they stood it up. It may have dropped down onto the concrete. I'm not sure how those wheels could have gotten cracked that, if not that way. Seems to be very clean. You can see muffler cage is banged up. Underneath seems to be clean. That blade needs to be sharpened, it's a little nicked up. Front wheel drive. And this is what it looked like when I got it. It was in very clean condition here. Let me pull this one out of the way and I'll show you a little bit more about this newest one that I got, and then we'll give both of these a start. And let's check the air filter here. Yeah, pretty dirty. Let's see if I can clean this and put it back in. Actually feels a little bit wet too. We have to put another air filter in this mower. This filter was just a mess in this Toro here, and it's actually wet, as if this mower has been left outside. So I'm going to replace this. This is actually the filter that came out of that trash pick engine lawnmower I found down at the beach. It was rusted out. They had to put a new filter in it, new spark plug, and I saved those out. So we're going to put this almost new condition air filter in this Toro. And let's check the wheels on this mower, and this is the biggest issue I see. The rear ones are fine, and the height adjustments are not frozen. But both of these front wheels are cracked. And I'm sure I know what probably happened. I probably stowed this using the SmartStow feature, standing it straight up. This one's cracked here. And I bet it got knocked down and hit really hard on the concrete in his garage and cracked these wheels. Just have never seen anything cracked like that, both of them. So I'm thinking that's what's happened. Rear wheels are fine, and the height adjustment's fine on that too. A little bit of rust here. Here's some information on the engine here. It shows December 2015 on this 7.25 190cc Briggs and Stratton engine. Got the side chute with this. Did not get a manual. Let's check out the side chute area, and that looks really good. No rust back here. Let's check behind this bag as well. And here's the back of this mower. This looks pretty good. Just needs a cleaning. And that you can see is model 20339, and that's the serial number 316 tells me it's a 2016 model. Got some foam coming out of here from somewhere. And our Toro bag's in good condition here, has been used. It's got some grass clippings inside, and it's a little bit damp as well. Let's check the oil on this. And it's right to that second mark, and it doesn't look dirty, so that's a good sign. Let me show you the SmartStow feature about this Toro recycler, much like the other one that I had. First need to take the bag off here, and then we can push the handlebars forward with these blue knobs, and we can stand it straight up on these ends here. It's on both sides. Great space saver for this model Toro. And we got the rear grass catcher off here. Now we just need to click these blue knobs forward, which unlatches these pins here. Take the pressure off the rope. Folds the handlebars up front. And now this ground is soft, so I got to be very careful. I really need to set these up on a concrete pad. But we're going to stand it up. And hope it doesn't fall over. Get a much better look underneath as well. And that is the SmartStow feature here. Spark plugs at the top so the oil is not running into the cylinder. Wouldn't want to put a whole lot of gas in it. And I think this is how these wheels got cracked. I think it was in this position and maybe got bumped and fell down and hit concrete pretty hard and cracked these front wheels. I just don't know of any other way these could have gotten broken like this. It's still usable. And that is the SmartStow feature. And to SmartStow this, just put it back down. Grab our handle here and put it in place. And then just pop these pins to the notch here. And it's ready for use. And we brought our other twin back here, and we'll just do a quick comparison on both of these. I would say the bag on this first one that I got is not quite as clean as this one over here. Both have wash ports, and this muffler cage is not banged up on this one. A few scratches on the side, but these front wheels are not cracked on this one. I've used this one some, but it was also very clean underneath. Same 22-inch recycler blade. And this blade on this one was in really good shape. Front wheel drive gearbox. Very clean. There's no bolt at the top. I'm not sure if they put bolts at the top here. No, it's missing here. This is the newest one. It's got the same 22-inch recycler blade. Yeah, there's no bolt on top of that one either. Bent up muffler cage. 22-inch recycler blade. Almost a gator type. It's got some nicks in it, so we're going to take this off, sharpen it, and balance it. Two very nice mowers in identical condition. We've had so much rain here. We've got a jungle in this yard, so hopefully I can mow this today. The sun's been in and out a bit. Let's put both of these in the SmartStow, standing them upright, and then we'll give each one an individual start. Great space saver. Spark plug side up. And this is the first one I got, the model and serial number of the engine, if that comes out. The bright sun shows February 2016. This one showed December 2015 rather. And let's look at the serial numbers in the back of each one. And this is the back of the first SmartStow I got, model 20339, and that is the serial number 316. Shows me it's a 2016. Let's compare that serial number to the latest one I got. And here's the back of the latest SmartStow, model 20339, and 316 2016 model, and that is that one's serial number. And let's give each one of these a start. Let's start with the newest member of the family here. Both SmartStow with the 7.25 190cc Briggs and Stratton engine. This one's with the cracked wheels. Let's see how well this is going to start today. Got my regular tie-down strap handle here, and we're going to start this one as well with my grease rag, tying that handle down. Here we go. Self-propelled. I don't want to cut much till I sharpen that blade, but that looks really nice. Got some grass coming out of that bag. Might be that piece of foam. This is the first SmartStow model I got. Very nice. Here we go. First time. Toro SmartStow models. 20339.